Do onions always make you cry? Not anymore. Today I will show you 5 easy kitchen hacks to slice onions without tears. When you cut an onions, it releases a gas called synpropanethyl S oxide. This gas mixes with your tears, creating a mild acid that burns your eyes. Rules. Hack 1. Use a sharp knife. A sharp blade makes clean cuts, releasing less gas. A dull knife crushes the onions, and that means more tears. When cutting onions, always use sharp knife. As a result, less gas will be produced. Hack 2. Chill the onions. Pop it in the fridge or freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. Cold slow down the chemical reaction so you can slice it in peace. Cold temperature slow down the release of sulfur compound that causes irritation, reducing the chances of tears. So always put your onions in the cold water before cutting it to reduce the amount of sulfur compound that causes a tear in your eyes. Hack 3. Cut underwater or near a fan. Water traps the gas. A fan blow it away from your eyes. Simple and effective. Cutting underwater helps to wash away irritating compound from reaching your eyes. So always ensure that you use a fan close to you when you are cutting your onions. It helps a lot. It helps to blow away the sulfur compound that causes the irritation. Chew gum or hold breath in your mouth. It might sound silly, but it works. The chewing motion and breath absorb or redirect the gases, the irritating gases that causes tears to be out from your eyes. 5. Cut the root last. The root end of the onions contain the highest amount of sulfur compound. Try to leave the root intact while cutting the onions and only slice it off at the end. No more onion tears. Try these hacks next time you are cooking and let us know what works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tips from Farm to Table TV. Thank you for watching. This is iFico Farm to Table TV.